Some things like screen wash, gin and plant fertiliser work better diluted. Communication, however, tends to go wrong when watered down. Here are 3 of the most powerful meaning diluters that I know of. Modifiers tone down the meaning of the words they're put with. A bit annoyed, slightly nervous, kind of surprised. If I use language like this, you get to choose how seriously to take me. And if you don't want to take me seriously, you can pretend to believe the diluted meaning. And then just ignore me. So, cut out the modifier. Or, if you accidentally use one, correct yourself. And then they will get your meaning even better. Playing mouse is another social device that we use for toning down a message. We sneak things into conversations by making them sound small and innocent. I might do this by walking into your office and saying, "Do you have a minute?" so as to make it sound like it's no big deal. Ironically, I'm actually prying you to either dismiss my idea or to get nervous that what I'm about to say is actually a big deal. Either way, negative feelings have got into the conversation before I've even told you what's on my mind. If this is one of your preferred strategies, consider the direct route. It may actually be a lot less hassle than the softer alternative after all. Lastly, quantity. We all bury big messages with lots of words from time to time. Just blurting out something big often seems too direct, too demanding. Adding extra words does indeed soften the message by surrounding it with less threatening ideas. But when I do use lots of words, you may quickly suspect that there is something not quite right, and then you may become uneasy anyway. On the other hand, you may just hear lots of words and be left totally confused about what I meant. If it's important, dare to keep it short, with the key message right at the start. So, cut out the modifiers, stand tall, and keep it short.